Hey guys, welcome to the OrtoTech Garage. My name is Keith. I'm an ASE Certified Master Automobile Repair Technician with over 35 years experience. I'm also the founder and owner of Asian Imports Auto. We've got 3 locations currently operating in the greater Las Vegas metropolitan area, and we've been in business for over 25 years. This channel is dedicated to delivering to you everything related to the automotive industry. We're going to be bringing you some valuable time and money-saving tips and tricks. We want to deliver to you some how-to knowledge, basic how-to knowledge, maybe some more advanced how-to knowledge. We're also going to deliver to you an inside look, sneak peek of some of the repairs that we're doing in our garages right here every single day. In addition to that, we want to provide some information for some younger people that might be looking to get into our industry. Perhaps some of you a little bit older might be looking to take the next step and move into your own auto repair shops. So you might be wondering how I got started in this industry. I think it all goes back to when I was a child. I loved taking things apart, putting them back together. I had an obsession with how things worked, and I worked my way from fixing my friends' skateboards to their bicycles to scooters and motorcycles. Next thing you know, I found myself in the auto repair shop in my high school. For the last 2.5 years, I probably spent 4 hours a day in the auto shop. I was working on the teachers' cars, I'm working on my friends' cars, and I was really thriving in the industry at an early age. So I decided somewhere halfway through high school that I really just wanted to be in the auto repair field. I went to school at State University of New York and got a degree in automotive engineering technology. While I was going to school, I was working part-time at my uncle's gas station. I was pumping gas. He had me driving the tow truck, picking up some of his customers' cars when they broke. Eventually, he let me work on some cars, and we were doing oil changes, basic maintenance, brakes, and things like that. After I finished school, I went to work full-time. I put my head down and I really started grinding away. I wanted to be the best in this industry. I wanted to know everything I could know. I was soaking up stuff like a sponge. By the time I was 28 years old, I was ready to open my own repair shop, and that's exactly what I did. Our first Asian Imports Auto came to life, and 25 years later, here we are. We got 3 locations, thanks to all of our amazing clients, thanks to my amazing staff who help me every day put out a superior product to everybody else around. It's been a wonderful ride, and now I'm just ready to share with you guys all the experience and knowledge that I have, things that are going to be valuable to you to help you navigate this auto repair world. So with that said, I'd really love to hear from you guys. Great thing about YouTube, it's very interactive. You guys can comment below, let us know what you think about the videos that we're creating. You can let us know what you'd like to see in the future, or if nothing else, just stop by and say hello. Thank you for joining us. You're going to love the rest of the content we've got here to provide for you already. We'll see you in the next video.